Welcome to this presentation. My name is Perla Gallegos with HFMA Chapter Accounting, and this is an introduction to QuickBooks Online. This presentation is intended to highlight the main features and benefits of QuickBooks Online and help you get started on your journey as treasurer. For those not very familiar with QuickBooks Online, it is a user-friendly accounting software that our chapters have used to streamline record keeping and all those important processes used to track and maintain the financial position of the chapter. In this presentation, we will learn the basics of getting around and review information on QuickBooks Access features, how to access your chapter information, and manage your chapter's QuickBooks users. First, let's talk about logging in and using QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online should be accessed in a web browser, preferably Google's Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Those two web browsers are built specifically for the features within QuickBooks Online. To access QuickBooks, please visit ca.qbo.intuit.com. Once you enter your information, click Sign In, and QuickBooks will take you to your chapter's file. Once you successfully log into your chapter's QuickBooks, the first screen you will be prompted to is the home page, also known as a dashboard. It provides a quick and easy snapshot of the income and expenses, profit and loss, sales, and bank account balances for your chapter. Next, let's navigate through the first and most common way to use QuickBooks. The Create menu, also known as the Quick Create menu, can be accessed by clicking the plus new icon located on the left. In this menu, you will see a list of transactions. Click any of these transactions and it will prompt you to a form that you can enter, which will become an accounting entry. You will use the Create menu to do most of your day-to-day work in QuickBooks. Now, let's review the left navigation bar menu. As you use the Create menu to make data entry, you would want to find that information from time to time. QuickBooks lets you do that very easily by using the left navigation bar. Overall, the navigation bar will allow you to find information based on the name or by the transaction type. So, by clicking Banking to view, you are able to view the online banking, bank rules, and receipts. Expenses to view the vendor list and expense transactions. Sales to view your members, invoices, and sales listing. Reports to find information about the chapter in report format. You will be able to run common reports such as the balance sheet, income statement, and aging summary reports, and much more from here. Click Accounting to view the chart of accounts or to easily access the Reconcile window. Now let's review the third and final way to get around QuickBooks Online. The Company menu, located on the right-hand corner, is also known as the gear icon. Here you'll see tasks that are not very common as those on the Create menu, but that you'll have to access from time to time. Under the Company List menu, you'll first notice Account and Settings. Let's click on it. Information listed here is very important. Here's where you'll want to review and communicate with accounting@hfma.org. Any changes as the information listed can impact invoices and sales receipts. Review and make sure your chapter's information is up to date. You'll first notice your chapter's name and tax ID. Reflected in the contact info should be the incoming treasurer's contact information and chapter's website information if there's one. Down below, reflected on the address info, the company address should be that of the organization's corporate address, as it is the default address for the chapter's QuickBooks subscription. The member-facing address right below should reflect the current treasurer's address, or sometimes there is a P.O. box that the chapter has in place. This address serves as a location where members contact the chapter or send payments. Also shown on the sales template, which we'll discuss next. So right in here, there is a sales option, so let's click on that. And you would click on the customize look and feel. You will be directed to custom form styles, and when you click on edit, you can make changes to the design, content, and email information reflected on your sales forms, invoices. Once completed, you just click done, and it will save your template. Navigating back to the company menu, you can also access your sales template easily by clicking Custom Forms Styles. Now that we have reviewed the sales template, let's move on how you will manage your QuickBooks users. So also from the gear icon, right under your company, you'll see the option to click on Manage Users. Let's do that. As you click on it, you'll be prompted to review the list of QuickBooks users for your chapter. Recently, we sent out email communication on QuickBooks Access. We ask leaders to help us maintain the user list for each chapter, so please be sure to follow those instructions and relate any changes to accounting@hfma.org. This concludes our presentation for today. Please stay tuned on more information on QuickBooks. Thank you.